Hello and welcome back to the show. My name is Josh. I appreciate you being here. Today we're going to be doing a crock pot recipe, white chicken chili, super easy, super delicious, great weekday recipe. Let's just jump into it. Here we go. Now, normally when you make this recipe, honestly, sometimes it comes out kind of bland. It's shredded chicken, chicken breast, it cooks all day in the crock pot in the slow cooker. Sometimes it comes out a little bit bland. Today's mission, we're gonna add a secret ingredient. We're gonna zhuzh it up a little bit, and I think we can get it, and with Babe's help, I think we can get it not only not bland, but delicious, easy, weekday. The kids are gonna love it, great. Let's jump into the ingredients right now. I think you guys are really gonna like this recipe. Grab your crock pot, plug it in your kitchen, let's go inside. Now, you guys don't need to worry about writing any of this down. It's gonna be in the description box down below. I know that's important to a lot of people. So let's just go over the ingredients real fast. We are going to need about 2 pounds of chicken breast. Here's the secret ingredient. A little bit of green enchilada sauce, you can get mild or medium. Some diced green chilies, whole kernel corn, black pepper, 2 cans of the cannellini beans, some chicken broth, an onion that I'm gonna dice up, garlic that I'm gonna dice up, salt, I said salt, pepper, we got some chili powder, we got some cumin, we got some oregano leaves. This is our basic ingredients. At the very, very end, we're gonna add a block of cream cheese into it, but that's not gonna be for hours and hours and hours, depending on if you rock it on the low setting or the high setting, however fast you need to cook it. If it's on low, it's gonna go 6 to 8 hours. If it's on high, it's gonna be 4 to 6 hours. Let's get all this in. I'll put it in the crock pot. I'll bring you guys right back. So for the sake of time, I have my slow cooker crock pot warming up. I have my 2 pounds of chicken breasts in there. I have 3 cups of chicken broth. And then I squoze with my garlic squozer. So now we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. This is that little onion, well, medium to large size. I chopped it up myself. We're gonna start to do our canned stuff, cannellini beans, which I think are just like basically white kidney beans. But we're gonna do 2 cans. I think they're 15 ounces. So we'll do 2 cans of that. And like I said at the beginning of the video, the goal of this is to make this as flavorful as possible. You don't want a bland white chili. A whole can of corn, I already drained it. So that's just the kernels. This is the secret sauce. That's like a half a can of the green chili enchilada sauce. I'm reserving the rest of that can because after I add the cream cheese in hours and hours and hours, I might need that. Who knows? We'll see. I'm reserving it for later though. Diced green chilies, I got the medium. You know, like I said, I don't want it to be bland. Whole can. I think this is only 4 ounces, I think. Is that what it is? Yeah, 4 ounces. We'll get that in there. And now comes our dry ingredients. We're gonna go 2 teaspoons. This is extra fancy light chili powder. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. 2 teaspoons of cumin. If it wants to cooperate here. 2 teaspoons cumin. We're going 1 teaspoon of the oregano. Kosher salt, 1 teaspoon. Half a teaspoon black pepper. And again, recipe in the description below. All right, back outside briefly, middle of the video. We appreciate you still being here. I want to give a big shout out to everybody that hit that little join button next to the subscribe button on YouTube. Thank you to our channel members. I'll list them on the screen. You support Babe and my little hobby. Really, really appreciate you guys more than you will ever know. Now I'm starting my crock pot on high right now because I've gotten a real late start today. I'm probably gonna run it on high for a couple of hours and then maybe I'll switch it to low depending on when everybody wants to eat tonight. You just gotta watch it because at some point when this is ready, you're gonna pull the chicken breasts out and you're gonna shred them and you're gonna add them back in and you're gonna continue cooking, and that's when you're gonna add the block of cream cheese in. Then you're gonna start tasting and figuring out if you need more salt, if you need more of that enchilada sauce, maybe you need more cumin, chili powder, whatever it may be. You're gonna figure that out probably in another couple of hours once the chicken is properly cooked and able to be shredded. Another thing that I wanted to mention, serving it, when you're all said and done, some of the toppings, maybe cilantro, maybe a squeeze of lime juice, maybe some sour cream, you never know. Lots of different things you can do with this recipe. You don't want it to be bland, you want it to be awesome, and that's our goal for today. So I'm giving it a mix, I'm starting it on high, I'm gonna put the lid on, and I will check back with you guys in a couple of hours. Okay, babe is back. It has been, let's see, 4 hours. The first 2 hours on high, the second 2 hours on low. And now babe is shredding the chicken and then and it's fogging up. And then you're gonna add it back into the crock pot and we're gonna add that little block of cream cheese.
Yes, we all came walking in and it smells so good. Everybody got excited because it's actually cold here today, so this is the perfect meal for tonight.
Perfect. So you'll shred that and we'll be right back to add the cream cheese.
Oh, this is the best part. Do we do a whole thing?
Yep. Because that was only like the 6 ounce, or it was the smaller block, 6 or 8 ounces. And that's gonna thicken that up. And once that shredded chicken goes in there, it'll all thicken up. Cook it for like another hour or so, maybe a little bit more on low. And then we're ready to party, top it, and we're ready to eat. Smells good.
It smells so good. Oh, that's gonna be really good, babe.
So just almost 6 hours.
Yes.
Like 5 hours and 45 minutes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby.
It's pretty darn good.
Smells pretty darn good.
Smells really good.
Chicken's super shreddy, soft. Beans are all nice. We're going for not bland. We're going for awesome. We're going for dirty dishes in the sink.
Really good.
That's one of the better ones.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Good job,
Like
babe.
pre-sampled.
Definitely make this on a cold night. It's perfect.
Yeah.
Feeds the family, fills you up, and keeps you warm.
There we go.
Love it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I appreciate you watching the video, supporting our channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Make this recipe. If you have comments, questions down below, maybe a different ingredient that you could add to make it a little different flavor profile, let me know down below. I'm always interested to learn, try, experiment, different things like that. We appreciate you watching all of our recipes, our video. Share this video out if you like it, and we will see you on the next video. Take care.